Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Recently I received an email from one of the Outlook user, which is also my subscriber. He is really fed up of the font and font size he is using as a default in Outlook Classic as well as in the new segment of Outlook. So in this video, I will show you how you can quickly change the default font in Outlook Classic as well as in the new variant of Outlook. So currently I am on my Outlook Classic, and to change the default font in Outlook Classic, simply click on this file menu, which is available on the top left corner of your screen. Now select the options from here and you will see Outlook options dialog box appears, which consists of multiple options, and all the backend settings will be easily changed from here. So here you need to select mail from the left options, this stationery and fonts. Simply click on it and that will take you to the signature and stationery dialog box. Now, if you look carefully, you will see there are three sections: new email, messages, reply or forwarded messages, and composing and reading pan text messages. So here, if I will show you the default font, so simply click on the new email, click on home tab, click on new email. Now you will see the default font. When I click on the message body and click on format text, Aptos, which is by default already selected by Outlook, and the font size is 12. If I click on this font, you will see a few options you need to change. First, font. Simply click on this drop down and you can very easily select your required font. So in my case, I will show you my favorite, which is Verdana. I select it. Font style, regular is already selected by default. I can use italic or bold. I use bold. And you will see also the preview. The font you select and the font style or size you select will be previewed over here. That will show you an idea. Once you select this, set it as a default, that will look like that. You can also change the font size. So 12 is good for me. And there are additional options which is available which you can change, but it's not for me here. In case you need to change it, you can use all these options in the font dialog box. Simply hit OK. Now the second one, which is reply or forwarded messages. Outlook give you an option. When you create a new email, you can use a different font or size, and if you reply or forward, you can use different font and size. So when I click on this font icon, again this dialog box appears. You can again change the required font. So I select this one, Arial. This is good. I can change to bold and I can resize it to 14. Now hit OK. Now you will see the change. Although these are looking slightly similar, but when I create a new email, the font will be this, and when I reply or forward the message, the font will be this. Hit OK. Hit OK once again. Now click on new email. Now again go to the format text and you will see this Verdana along with 12 is already selected and bold is also enabled. When I type welcome to my channel, see the text is written in Verdana, the font size is 12 and in bold. You can also change, in case you want to change it manually from here, but it will be applicable on the current email which you will create individually. Now I will show you in the new Outlook as well. So I simply open new Outlook. So this is my new Outlook. Now to change the font and font size in new Outlook, you simply need to click on the settings, which is available on the right top corner of your screen in new Outlook. So here you need to simply type font. Now you will get three options and you have to select message format. Although this message format is under the mail and compose and reply, if you don't want to do this from here, you simply need to click mail and compose and reply. You will also get there. Now you will see I have to first select the email. For which email you want to change the default font. So I have two emails over here. So I select this one. Now you will see the font. This is the font, Aptos, which is already selected. The font size is 12. These all are disabled. So first I will simply select the same by clicking on this drop down. I use Vardhana, or I simply type Vardhana over here. This is Vardhana. I can change the font size by 14. I can also bold it. So you will see the preview is also changing once I select or change the font or font size. Now simply hit save. Now I will close this dialog box and I will cross check it. I click on new email. I click on this my message body, and you will see this Vardhana 14 and bold are already enabled. Once I type my message, welcome to my, so you will see it's written in Vardhana 14 and bold. So this way you can very easily change your default font and font size setting in Outlook Classic as well as New Outlook. Although New Outlook and Outlook on the web is almost similar. So if you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.